guys, what's up? It's Emilyana. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a little Starbucks cup. I don't have a straw or a lid on it right now, but I made this little Emily with the green and the stars. It's really cute. So come along for this Vlogmas video.
Most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
So first things first, I'll bake in Cricut design space. And it's obviously going to take a minute because it always does. And then I'm going to use one of my examples. I'm gonna use, ooh, the Christmas tree one is so cute. Or snowflake should I do? I love the snowflake one. This tree, even though I really want to do my snowflake one. I just don't think I have the patience to, because again, I'm filming the night of, which needs to stop. And there's, okay, so I'm going to go over the basics. So I ended up getting a Starbucks like template. That's where this is. I found one online, which was easy, because I didn't know how to make it, because mine isn't technically a Starbucks cup, so the sizes are a bit different, but this does work. I've tested it. But so then you find your Christmas tree, and you can either do that on Cricut design, or you could send it from Google. I put like tree outline. I can't remember exactly where I got it from. Yeah, there's a bunch of different ways you can do that. I'm not gonna show the details of all this, because I'm sure if you're a Cricut, you do Cricut design stuff, you know how to do all of this. I'm just gonna save my progress. But so then I put the tree within the template, or make your own template, because like obviously you might have a different size than the Starbucks cup. I just don't know how to do that. But I got a little Christmas tree here, and then I got a star. They're not together. I'm wondering if I should put them together. I'm actually not gonna attach them, because honestly for this one it's kind of easier if you don't, because then you could just place them. But I'm gonna make it, and we're gonna switch to the non-computer video now. So I'm not gonna mirror anything. I'm gonna make sure this is on custom vinyl, especially for the first one. But I'm gonna make sure all of this stuff is on here. I'm gonna change one thing because something does not look right. So I'm just gonna, first color is for my name. Yeah. So my Cricut sometimes likes to go on separate things, but we'll see if we could get this to working how it should be working. Don't do what I did. I know some people are probably so annoyed with what I did who are really into Cricut, but here's the thing, we all make mistakes and I just did not see the setting. Doing this right now just because of my little mistake, but usually I would start cutting right now, but I'm more worried of savoring this vinyl, which should be pretty easy. I'm just kind of going backwards. Follow my next steps in the video on how it should work. So I folded a paper towel up and I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol and clean my cup. Clean it really good. And I have this little thing that I'll use to hold my cup. Usually I just use my knee. I'm gonna kind of find the center and find about where I want it. I'm gonna place it, lightly rub my finger over it. I like using my hand more than like these little guys. For certain things I will use this little scraper, but most time I'm just gonna do it manually. What? Why are you sticking? Why aren't you sticking? I'm gonna slowly take her off. The trick is to kind of go back and forth with the transfer tape and then let it go. And then right again, I'm gonna push lightly on the vinyl, just make sure it's all on there. And now we could get back to what I should have been doing. And that's doing the Christmas trees. So it wants me to do the stars, and I'm just gonna check. A lot of the stars are within the first line, so I'm just gonna be cutting a thin strip, because that's about all we need. We're gonna put her aside and put her right up here. Now we're gonna bring that in there, and I'm gonna switch it to vinyl. I'm gonna hit go and I'm gonna take this off and then put my green on. I'm gonna put her on there. Hit go. Now that is going. I am gonna cut out my stars and start weeding that out. So now what I'm gonna do is weed out the trees. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna honestly cut some of my transfer tape because it's really big. I'm gonna cut it basically in half. And I'm gonna do each one of the trees pretty much individually. So kind of my pattern is a Christmas tree. I'm gonna place 3 Christmas trees in a row. One, 2, and then one on the bottom here. Then place 2. And what I'm kind of just doing is I'm kind of just rubbing the transfer tape over the tree and getting it from that. That one didn't go so well, obviously, because I was trying to show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna start placing the stars because I don't think there's any more room for Christmas trees. There are extras, but it also depends on the name. Putting this piece of transfer tape aside. And then I'm gonna start placing the stars. So here is the finished outcome. Other than the Emily, I did place all these on one by one. Sometimes I'll do it all at once, but yeah, it's pretty easy once because the Cricut does most of the work. And this design is easy with these little easy trees and stars, and the colors you can use, like the stars you don't have to use gold. This, if you did like a red or like a pink holographic or a red glitter, like you could basically make it your own. And the pack of cups I have different like tops and straws, so it's perfect. You can make this for basically any holiday, but here's like a little Christmassy one. This is one of the designs. I made a few of these this year, and the snowflake one was one of my favorites, but this is a bit easier to show, and I'm not the best at recording these yet, so yeah. So that was today's video. I hope you like. I'm sorry it's short, but again, I need to get caught up. Sorry I missed yesterday, but I'm not making that up. I might make it up at the end of Vlogmas, but we'll see when that comes. I'm kind of filming every day now, and that's how I'm gonna film, but it might change. Hopefully there's one day I could film multiple videos in one and get ahead. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Follow me on all my social medias. I'd really appreciate. Subscribe and turn post notifications on, so you know every time I post, and I would gladly appreciate it if you give a like and subscribe. But yeah, that's today's video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, peace, bye.